This is a video sample with the Motorola Moto G200 5G in 8K 24 frames per second. As you can see, the stabilization isn't really the best one out there. Let's check out the zoom. This is 7 times zoom. And this is the maximum 10 times zoom. And it's pretty shaky. And I think we're done. This is a video sample with the Motorola Moto G200 5G in 4K 30 frames per second. I think the stabilization, actually it could be better. Let's try a bit of running to check it out. And let's stand still. Let's check out the zoom. This is 6 times. This is 10 times. And let's go back. And I think we're done. This is a video sample with the Motorola Moto G200 5G in 4K 30 frames per second during the night. I intentionally chose the 30 frames per second setting because it captures more light than the 60 frames one. So yeah, that's how it looks. Maybe try a little bit of zooming. This is 2 times, 8 times. As you can see, it's a bit grainy. And that's about it.